Hello everybody. We will start with the interview with the teacher Andreita Piguave. In this moment, I will make her some questions about space exploration. Hello, dear teacher.
Hi.
Thanks for accepting to be interviewed. The current interview is about space exploration, advantages and disadvantages. It will not take more than 5 or 10 minutes, so can we start, please?
Okay.
Okay, the first question is, should governments prioritize spending on the exploration of space and why?
Well, governments will prioritize, for example, the exploration of the space, but I don't consider that is important because maybe we have another circumstance or another priorities. For example, for example, education, or for example, reduce the poverty or dioxide carbon or another topics that is more important for the exploration of space. I think so.
Okay, Andreita, thank you. The second question is space an important frontier for human exploration or inspiration?
Well, exploration in, for example, is not my inspiration, but will be for another person. For example, maybe have scientists or maybe have different people that love space, that love explore it, that love space and discover another planets. Maybe this will be
Okay,
my answer.
okay. So the next question. Does space exploration benefit science, human understanding?
Well, yes, they have a benefit, especially for people that love and exploration, scientists that love discover science, discover different types, but don't have to another people that is more important, especially for science. I think so.
Okay. The fourth question is, should space exploration be publicly funded?
Yes, will be publicly funded because it's the information is for all, not only for one only state. For example, for the United States or for Europe, it's for all. The information is now with the net. It's globally. Is for all the people that I think that this information is for explore for to many other professional things.
Okay. And the next question is, does the human race need to be able to move to another planet?
Well, the human race, I think that we need more exploration here, especially the Earth, because we don't know maybe another communities or another different species. For example, with the climate change, we discover another species, for example, but we don't know the loss of these species, or for example, um, the another races, or maybe I don't know, maybe could be, or I don't know.
It depends.
It depends, yeah.
Yeah, okay. The next question is, are missions to Mars important, worth funding? What do you think?
Yeah, I think that Mars is is important for especially for science, but I don't know if this is more important for us.
Okay.
Mm.
This question is about robots. Should
Okay.
people be flown to space instead of robots? Or maybe
Maybe.
it's too dangerous, I don't know.
Yes, well, I think that the robots is important for us. For example, to flow space because they have more abilities like we don't have. We don't have, so I think that the robots will be more important, especially in space, because they have more abilities, more.
Less danger because we can maybe die.
Yes,
In a
less
mission
than.
like that. Okay.
Yes.
We almost finished, but the eighth question is sending humans to space good for international relations between countries, between nations?
Between planets.
No, between nations, like between United States and Ecuador. United.
Yes, we need to have. I think that the information will be free, and I think that this is more important for all the nations.
Okay. The thanks is: should opponents of space exploration still be required to contribute? I mean, for example,
Taxes.
Yes.
Taxes for
Yes, for the
explore
space. Yes.
space.
Yes.
I think that I don't like this because we have more priorities. For
Yes.
example, reduce the poverty and reduce the carbon dioxide, reduce. We have another priorities because we need for all these. For example, for food. For example, for all gastos.
Yes.
For all different for all of the situations that and I don't think that the administration of these taxes could be for more for another contributes, not for explore nations that we don't know if exist or I don't know.
Okay, interesting. So, for you, please tell me some of the disadvantages you perceive from space exploration. Furthermore, the disadvantages that you tell me.
Yeah, disadvantage, for example, disadvantage, for example, for explore the space, I think that could be maybe the states don't perceive that the people need another circumstance, another taxes that give me, for example, to reduce the poverty, to reduce all different problems that we need for people,
Okay.
not for only not for the space. I think that it is not necessarily that explore another planets if you don't discover here in the planet, in the Earth planet. You have to discover another countries, for example, India, etc. That we need to explore, for example, the divers that exist here,
Okay.
and the animals that exist here, especially mesofauna that are near very very little animals that explore in the another planet like Mars or anything else.
Okay. Thank you, Andreita,
Thank you.
for answering this interview.
Thank you, Paulita.